Any prize that you like here today for the lucky winner, we're entering the place today. There one win, any prize now. One win, any prize.
One of the extra
He's going to be the next lucky winner. Simple, easy game to play. Simple, easy game to win now, folks. If you like to play, you'd like to join in with us, come right in and give the game a try. We're clearing away these prizes here today as fast as you buy the tickets. We hand away the prize. And they're not for Joe, I'm going to... Any prize on the show here today? Any prize that you like? Are we joining in, yes? Have you got exactly 21? No, you must score exactly 21 to 21. You must score exactly. Have you got 21 like here? Yes, exactly 21, yeah, twice, yeah? Two winners, two winners. We have two more winners.
We get towards the end of the accelerate.
21 in one ticket. They've got a twice, 21 in one ticket. And then they've got a 10, a 7 and a 4. Any two prizes for you. The two of them, yeah? Two of the great big massive ones. One of each, yeah? And there's two more winners right here, right now. Look at the size of this one here. The giant ones, the one and only. The giant ones, the one and only here today. Look at the size of this one. Look at the size of this one. Have you got it, lady? And now you've got 21. And now you've got 21, and you've got 21, and you've got 21. Loads of winners here today. Loads of winners, loads of prizes. Any prizes? 2 tens and a 1 is 21. Well done, lady. That big giant one. 2 tens and a 1. Yes, Lisa. Have you got 21?
46.
You got 21? Don't make no odds, as long as you add them together, as long as you make 21, don't make no odds, alright? There's our next lucky winner. There's our next lucky winner. You've got 21. Tickets down this end, please. Tickets down. Winner. Two winners down. Sorry, down there, please. 10, 2 and 9. Any prize, sweetheart? Any prize? You want the original? Original. You like the original? Where's our next lucky winner? There's our next lucky winner. The original. One down there for you. The original. 10, 2 and 9. We have another winner, and you've got it, and you've got it. You're next, sir. Let's have a look at you. Well done. 6 and 4 is 10. Now look, you need 21, sweetheart. That's not too many, look. You've got to score 21 to win. Line this, gentlemen. Any prize for you, sir? Any prize? The big giant one. You like the big giant one. Winner. We have another lucky winner. We have another super win. Ladies and gents, we're here today. Yes, lady, you've got 21. 2 6s is 12 and a 9, lady, 21. Any prize for you? The giant one.
57.
The giant one, another lucky winner. And another lucky winner. Right here, right now, we have another lucky winner. We have another super win. We have another lucky winner. Winner.
Another 2 twice.
Who's the next winner? Who's the next? Yes, sir. 24, yes. Right, what did you say? 24, sir. Loads of winners here today, loads of prizes. We have another lucky winner. We have another
Spitfire roll. Spitfire is the longest continuous serving aircraft on the Battle Bridge Memorial flag.